And there it is. That's my San Marzano sauce. It's been cooking for 10 hours on a low, light boil, as you can see around the edges. This time I didn't touch it at all. Just left it alone. Normally I'll go and I'll hand blend it. This has oven roasted garlic, shallot, and sweet onion seasonings. So I reduced it down by a half a can. This is 6 large cans reduced down to 5.5. Normally I reduce it down, but one of the chefs I'm dealing with, no, do it this way, do it that way. So under recommendation, bam, wait for it. And yes, I am using my Braun hand blender. Does not produce as much air. I find this a much better hand blender as opposed to another brand we're not going to mention, because I've learned when you got nothing good to say, don't say anything at all. But for my sauce, this is my blender. This is what I will be using from now on. Thank you, America's Test Kitchen. So you want to see what it looks like when it's done? Wait for it. And there you go. Beautiful. Now, I love it, but I like it more flavorful. And I was told by more than one person I got to kick it back. So there it is, kick back. And if you notice the way this looks and the other ones I've done, this is the third one I've done, you can't see anything. Everything's been hidden. All the flavorings hidden. So, oh yeah, don't waste your time asking for the recipe because you're not going to get it. This is my sauce. Go make your own. Yummy. Love it.